Hello everybody, welcome back to Hair Sucker's Garage. We're gonna put some decals on my door, and I clean the door, wet the door down, and then we're gonna stick this on here. Where are you at, Henry?
Hold on, saw something shiny. You got the door good and wet.
The door's good and wet. Like I say, you gotta wet the door down so it's on these big decals so you squeeze it out and they'll slide if you need to. So we got to peel the back off. Pull it. Pull it. Some of this stuff wants to stay on there. Like right there. Good. Oh. So y'all can't see this part probably. I don't know, I can't see behind me. So peel this off very carefully. Very carefully. There you go. Oh, hold it. Yeah. Some of it wants to stick to the backing. We can't have that. So, and whoop. Here we go.
Now get this where you want.
Right underneath the trim, just in about, let's see the door, about right there on the door handle. So, got it right under the trim. Where you at on the door handle?
Right next to it.
Just move it over a little bit. So, alright.
Up under the trim.
Yep, up under the trim. Pull this off. Alright.
Start working from the outside. Get your squeegee and just start.
And then take a little squeegee. Is that up too high?
I don't know. There you go. There you go. You just push the stuff out from under it. Try to kind of start on it. Look down in the middle and go out.
Yeah. There we go. I haven't done a big one like this before. My buddies, they used to do this where the place they used to work at. I don't think that's the decal. I think that's the outer part.
This one's not even working with your finger.
Yeah. Pretty simple. You just gotta take your time. Work it out. Get all your air bubbles out. The glass cleaner works good at getting the bubbles out. There's a bubble.
And then you pull the thing off and you can work the thing a little bit.
Alright.
The ones we did back in the day, they weren't like this.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Ooh. Very, very.
You gotta, you find an error with. Put your thumbnail on there.
So, very carefully peel this off.
No, it didn't want to stick to it. No, it wants to do is stick to it.
Yeah.
You gotta get that one.
That ain't working too good. I'm gonna put it back up there. This is slow going.
Try it now.
But it's a big ass sticker. Well, it's not working good at all.
Very good. And now it just needs to work it up. This ain't
This right here seems to be working halfway decent. It might be, once we get past the letters, it might be work a little easier. I don't know. Yeah.
Is the video still going?
Yeah. Let's see.
This is a different type of decal than I thought it was.
Oh yeah.
Just kind of keep get it more. Hey, look at that.
It look like over one of these. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, live and learn. So this is first time doing this. So I am by no means a professional. We'll have to get these air bubbles out. Maybe I got it too wet. The main thing is to take your time. Don't get in a hurry. Don't just go in there and start smashing it. Don't be an idiot. And then work on getting the rest of the air bubbles out. And there's like a wrinkle in there. Sliding. Really. Can you pull it up? Stretch it.
This is a whole different thing.
Yeah.
There you go. Keep going.
See if I can do something. Straighten this out. Well, I think I got most of it out. It's just a little bit. So, a little bit of an air bubble. Oh yeah, I got that lower one out.
You keep working on it. You just want to work stuff out from underneath.
Yeah. Oh. Alright, there's one. Oh, you got one right here. And there we go. Just take your time, and there it is. So, gotta do the other side, this side just like the other side. And I didn't say ugly words. So, alright. Y'all have a great evening. Keep it between the mustard and the mayonnaise. And see you next time.